Comment ça fait?
Assembly matter again. It is no more Yes Weekend matter again. It becomes a collective interest of council and Rivers youths. That's why we are here today to say no to illegal impeachment, to say no to illegal intimidation. The governor of America has tried, let him go and face his job in Abuja. There's a tradition here. After 8 years, you take a bow and go. All the leaders taking a bow and leave. Amechi has gone. Wike has gone. Let him continue for 8 years. After 8 years, Sim to take a bow and leave. We are here in solidarity with our leader, one of our representatives, Boma Goodhead, and all the pro-Sim House of Rest members to say no to people that are causing problems in Rivers State. We want Rivers State to be peaceful. Rivers State is the bedrock of Rivers State. We want to send a message to Tinubu too. Him too should be aware that if anything happens to Rivers State, it will affect Nigeria economy. And it will not be comfortable for him as a president. We know his capacity. Let him call Wike to order. We have supported Wike before. He just made Wike what we is today. That is the naked truth. Go back to history. Jonathan and his wife stood by Wike to make him become governor. If God has used him to bring him, I don't think it should be a blackmail to him. Let there be peace in Rivers State. Let there be normalcy in Rivers. That is what we talk. This solidarity work will continue till all those that are anti-Sim will come back together and say, we are supporting your cause. Govern Rivers State. Now, to cram it on, the defected lawmakers, the law will go after them. They can't be bigger than the political party that brought them on board. Their seat has to be declared vacant. People have been in power for decades. They should allow the young ones to come up. God has proven this, what is happening today. And no man can play God.
Wike has dared Ijaw people. We are ready for him. Where we are now, if it amounts to killing all of us, we are ready to die. Ijaw nation is ready for this just cause. We want to tell Tinubu again, call your minister to order. This monumental embarrassment he has caused, Wike has caused to the nation. And this act of dragging back the hands of development in Rivers State is condemnable. Call your governor to order, your minister to order, call him to order. Because where we are now, we are already angered. We are already angered by the fact that the government of Tinubu has marginalized the Ijaw people. In Delta State, where 3 persons are appointed appointed for federal appointments, federal appointments, all the 3 people, none is from the Ijaw nation. Meanwhile, in that state, as an example, the Ijaws are the most economically viable. We are noting all of this. But for him to keep quiet and allow Wike to misbehave shows that there's some tacit support. And we shall not take that. As we speak, our people are so angered. Our people are so frustrated. To the extent that we can no longer guarantee, if things continue in this way, we can no longer guarantee the safety of the oil installations in Ijaw land. I repeat it. And if you are taking us for granted, continue. The day shall tell whether the Ijaw people are still the Ijaw people. Who will say a thing and make it come to pass. We don't guarantee the safety of installations, oil installations in our region. Since 1958, the Nigerian nation has been surviving on the oil that comes from the Joland. Today, we cry of marginalization, we cry of environmental degradation. When you talk about climate change and all that, the Joe nation is most affected. But on a daily basis, we are treated as if we are non-humans. This must stop. Like I said earlier, 40 million Ijaw people are angered. 40 million Ijaw people are aggrieved. And they are saying that a slap on Similaye is a slap on the entire Ijaw nation. Hands up! Yeah. Any attempt to further close up our political space by removing Similaye from office is a call for fire. We are not scared of Wike. In fact, we have no business with Wike. We are only talking to Mr. President because Wike knows what Ijaw people can do. Wike is from the south side. He knows what Ijaw people can do. Wike knows what we can do, so we are not scared of him. But we are advising Mr. President, at this time where this country is preaching and working very hard to have peace, justice, and equity, should be channeled towards the same principle.